So you booked your flights, you booked your hotels and all your excursions, but you want to try and figure out how to put this into one concise itinerary that's easy to use and hassle-free? Well, in this week's video, we've got the app that's going to do everything for you to make your trip hassle-free. Cue that intro.
What's up, YouTube? Trevi from the Adventure Buddies, the modern travel family, bringing you another video filled with tips, tricks, and inspiration to make sure you maximize your next family adventure, like we always do here at the Adventure Buddies.
So the app I'm talking about is called TripIT, available on iOS or Google Play Store. It is a free app that's going to do wonders for your itinerary planning. So let's go ahead and break this down and what it actually does for you. So TripIT is a service that's going to take all of your information and put it into one concise, easy to use itinerary. How do they do this? Well, when you get that confirmation email from either your airlines, your lodging, or your planned excursions, you're gonna forward those confirmation emails to plans@tripit.com. They're gonna then take all those itineraries and put it into one concise itinerary, and through your account with TripIT, through the app, you're then gonna have everything in one concise place. So once you get this customized itinerary to you, you are probably gonna have to go in there and fine tune everything just to make sure it's perfect. One other thing you're gonna be able to do is there's going to be a plus sign in the app where here you can upload any additional information such as a PDF or the actual confirmation letter, so you can have everything stored in one easy to reach location, so you don't have to rummage through emails and emails just to pull that up. So this can be anything, again, from your excursions, your lodging, or even a dinner reservation, to make sure that you have everything in one concise area. So inside the app, not only are you going to be able to upload all your information, and they can actually create that itinerary for you through that email, but they're also then going to allow you to have some specific destination guides that can actually be resourceful to you. And so those guides can range from things to do in that area, or also letting you know what the safety level risk is for that particular area. So making sure that you upload all your documents, making sure that all your activities, all your reservations are in one concise location is critical to making sure that your travel is hassle-free. Because here at the Adventure Buddies, we're trying to make travel hassle-free and affordable so that you can go on as many adventures as possible to enjoy this beautiful earth that we live on. And so if you're interested in learning more about travel tips and some of our adventures, please make sure to hit that red subscribe button down below. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button so this video can reach more people, so we can help more people travel like we do. And comment down below if you think a master itinerary like this would be helpful in planning out your vacation. And so I'm Matt from the Adventure Buddies, and remember, life's an adventure. Who are you going on it with?